Hi everyone, I'm Dr. S. Amuda, Assistant Professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Now we will discuss the concept type of user defined function in C. Part 2. We already discussed part 1. That is the type of user defined function in C is categorized into four types. There is function without arguments and without return values, and function without arguments and with return values. Function with arguments and without return values. Function with arguments and with return values. There is four types of user defined function available in C. We already discussed in the first two in your part 1 video. Now we discuss the remaining two user defined functions in C. It is the third one is the functions with arguments and without return value. We already learned what does mean by function and that particular function, how to pass the value and call a function, and formal parameter, an actual parameter, and return statement. The function return type is specified as any data types inside you using a return statement. That is the need in your function. In this one, the function having a arguments, and the function definition part, there is no return values. That is the function with arguments and without return values. This is the example program, including a header files, void average of 5 arguments passed as an integer data type, ended with semicolon is a declaration. The next statement is void main definition. Inside declaring a 5 variables, there is A, B, C, D, E, and getting an input from the user for 5 numbers. It is like through using a variable A, B, C, D, E. After that, call average of passing a parameter. Actual parameter is the variable A, B, C, D, E. If you get function call, automatically moving to the function definition. Void average of int A, int B, int C, D, E, likewise. Inside to creating a floating variable average, that is avg equal to add all the variables, that is A plus B plus C plus D plus E. The total is divided by 5. Now we got our average values and displayed. For example, the user entered the 5 values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Means the A equal to 10 and B variable assigned 20, C variable assigned 30, D variable assigned 40, and E variable assigned 50. Now that is passing the actual parameter and moving to copy to the formal parameter and added and divided by 5 and the same function definition to display the average value. That is the result is 30. The another example, sum. That is inside a main function to pass a two variable, that is A and B. The function name is sum of A comma B. If you move to the function definition, that is this is without return value, means compulsory your function return type is void. Inside adding a two numbers and display. For example, 10, 24 means the result is 34. The next type is function with arguments and with return values. That is the function also passing a value after the function definition completion, that value returned to your main function. This is the example program. The above example, they are converted to a with return values. First including a header files int sum int comma int. The previous one there is no return values. This is directly printed a statement in your inside a definition. Now here getting an input from the user, that is a and b, and now here the resultant variable is created because of that return value stored to the result variable. Sum of a comma b, that is function call. Move to the function definition. Int a comma int b. Now return a plus b. The two values are added. Return to your function definition. For example, 10 and 24. That the function definition, the result is 34. Return to your main function. That 34 assign in a result. After that, display the result values. This is the function with arguments and with return values. This is the same concept here using finding odd or even number. To getting input from the user is n, and even underscore odd is a function name. Inside to using if statement to check that number is odd or even. That is your flag equal to 0 means that is odd, otherwise else. If even odd int n is an argument, that is n modulus 2 equal to 0 means it's written 1, otherwise it's 0. That is return 1 means odd number, and return 0 it is a even number. Thank you.